Oh, look at that. I don't even know what's going on down there.
I punched her in the face before this video started because she tried to steal my Sephora play.
Tea. This is what my 13-year-old does. I'm trying to be cool. Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time. Today's video is how do we do this?
Today's video is another edition of Mother versus Daughter Sephora Play Edition.
Oh gosh.
It's been a while, guys.
It really has, and I screwed up. If you guys have not watched my video, which I may just put this video up before, but I go into a very long story time over on my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus on the fact that I didn't get my Ipsy little, like the little bag.
Yeah, at all.
Because of Target. Whatever. Long story. Make sure to check that video out. Probably not up yet, but it will be soon. Anyways, this is the Sephora Play Edition with my beautiful oldest daughter, Haley, who has her own YouTube channel as well. Check my description box down below for her channel. And what do I talk about now?
Sephora Play is a subscription box that is $10 a month, and it is customizable to your beauty preferences.
There's like a profile.
And yeah, your skin type, your hair type, all of that jazz, what you prefer, what you prefer to stay away from.
Yeah. And we are completely opposite when it comes to our profiles.
Pale, tan. Darker hair, blonde.
Old, young. So
dry skin, oily skin.
Well, it's not
combo.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Yeah.
I didn't mean to offend you.
I'm not offended.
It was a joke.
Okay, so this is a monthly subscription that is $10 a month. We like to go up against each other, go a little Mari Povich, Jerry Springer. We get
the better
rowdy
bag.
up in here. Yeah. Who gets the better one?
I
have to say, check her. That's not good. That's not how we do scissors, Rhonda. Definitely check out her channel because she'll be doing her Ipsy, like the regular bag, unboxing over on her channel. And I'm pretty sure that's the one you peeked in that said was amazing, right?
I peeked in both of them. I already did peek. It's pretty good.
So like I said, this is a $10, or she said, somebody said this is a $10 a month bag. You don't get full-size products all the time. A lot of the times it's just like deluxe size samples, good size samples. I almost peeked, but I'm not. Okay.
That glamping life? Ooh, Destination Beauty. I like this like little travel guide.
You always get a 50 Beauty Insider Point reward card. I don't even use it.
Nope.
Because if you shop online, you don't get to use this. And
if they always have like little coupon codes to get free items. Like right now they had a Tatcha one for a mini Tatcha silk canvas. If you put silk canvas in there, you get this baby.
I took it on vacay. If you watch my video coming
did it come
up,
with the little pic?
No, it did not. But I don't even use that anyways. But if you watch, I have a video coming up. What's in my makeup? Well, because I wasn't wearing makeup half the time. So wow, this feels heavy.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is what it looks like. This is what I'm gonna do. What is this? Oh, it's the chlorine shampoo. I've actually tried this before and I thought I liked it at first. This is the mango one, I believe. No, it's not. It's
looks like a honeysuckle.
It's a yingling. Anyways, grammar's not our forte, obviously, but
Yin yang.
I think that's Lang Yang. Anyways, I've not tried this one. I did try the mango one and I liked it at first, and then Olaplex came along and I love it so much. And Brioche. Okay, you go.
My first item is the Hum Beauty Starts From Within Gummies with Benefits. Hair Sweet Hair for stronger, healthier hair. Biotin, folic acid, Foti, B12, zinc, and PABA. Dietary supplement. Sorry, what? Supplement. 2 vegan berry gummy hearts. And there's 2.
Oh, they're gummy?
Yeah.
Ooh, eat them.
Right now?
Well, no, you don't have to. I don't know. Sounded fun.
Is the serving size 2? I'm opening it.
I don't know. My next item, and I love when I get these. That was absolutely ridiculous. I cannot. It probably has carbs in it.
Oh.
Sorry, guys. I was really thirsty, and I've got my ketone drink over here. This is a Laneige. Try again.
Laneige.
Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. I don't know if you guys can see, I have a backup over here. And then I've got, you got that too? Then I've got one, I swear these last forever. It doesn't stink. It's amazing. Every day I use this with my lip plumper. I do my lip plumper and then I do my sleeping mask and I'm like,
It lasts forever. It doesn't stink. That's what you said. You're like, I swear it lasts forever. It doesn't stink.
Well, all I can think is comparing everything to the Jaclyn Hill lipsticks where it's like all funky and old and stinks. But I'm like, no, it's still good. I promise it doesn't stink. It's not growing anything in it either.
I've never tried it.
Tea, it's still good. Granted, it's not like 100 years old. So, oh girl, you should not. Sassy pants are on. All right, your turn, my turn. Whose turn?
Your turn.
Okay, so the next thing I got is the Belief the True Cream Aqua Bomb. Increased hydration. I'm done talking. So here's, what am I doing? There's two of us. It's confused with life. So, you got this. Come on, girl. Come on, camera. She's got nothing. Failed. Anyways, we both got this. I'm getting car sick. Did it work yet? There you go. Okay, that's what we got, guys. Okay.
Whoa!
Is it a good amount?
I mean, it's only...
It's a little pot.
It's, yeah, it like comes up right here and then there's a little pot under. They trick you with the packaging.
The next thing I got is by Pharmacy Green Clean Makeup Melt-Away. I have been wanting to try this. A full-size one came in people's Boxycharms. I was not one of those lucky people. It doesn't really, it just smells clean. Like not much of anything. So I hear this is very, very similar to the Clinique Take the Day Off Balm, which I love that. Oh, look at that. I don't even know what's going on down there.
I punched her in the face before this video started because she tried to steal my Sephora play.
Tea. It's really good. I wish this came in from vacation, before vacation, because I bought the little mini Clinique thing. No, I wouldn't have done that. Okay, next. I'm a mess.
My next item is the Ultra Repair Barrier Cream, which for some reason I feel like I totally heard about this and I wanted to buy it, but like First Aid Beauty, oh, it's from First Aid Beauty, by the way. It's kind of, you know, like pricey, and I don't like spending a lot of money on skincare, but like I like to spend a lot of money on makeup, which like I need to just go all in and spend a lot of money on both. Those are actually pretty good.
I was gonna ask if you liked them.
And it's like a little, ooh, yeah, it's like this whipped creamy consistency. This is what I thought it was. And it creates like a barrier. Like, have you seen the commercial where it's like the person in the bubble?
No.
I don't know, but like it keeps out like all of like the pollution.
Huh.
Yeah, so I'm probably gonna fall in love with this and then want to buy a full size. So like I have the same one.
It's Tarte?
Shape tape?
Is it? No, it's the Found Sealer.
Oh yeah, that's what I meant. You're taking so long.
Are you kidding?
Wait, are we different shades too?
This is medium sand. This is light beige.
They actually did the shade thing.
Oh, that's good.
Yay!
But I'm pretty sure medium sand is gonna...
Yeah. Would this even fit me right now because I'm kind of tan? Do it from over here.
Oh, that definitely would not.
What?
I think that would fit you better. And this one definitely has like a yellow undertone too.
Tea.
It looks like.
Okay, last item.
Oh, I thought my camera just flipped off. What is this? Ooh, the Jouer Longwear Lip Topper. It's so tiny.
It looks so cute and holographic.
Oh, I'm so excited. Oh,
wow.
Look at the sparkles. Isn't that gorgeous?
That is really pretty.
Oh.
It looks like a Stila liquid eyeliner.
But it smells
not
good
liquid
too.
eyeliner.
Oh, look at that.
Wow.
We're going to accentuate all my fine lines. I like it.
And my last item is the what? I
don't know.
I'm going to say Bioessence. Bioessence.
That sounds good.
I can't say this next word either.
Squalane
Tea Tree Detox Mask. It purifies, calms, and softens skin. And I just broke the box. Ha 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 ha.
Oh, that's much better. You guys, if you...
It's a little mask.
So...
That was my last item.
Oh, look at all the sparkles I just put on my phone. What are your thoughts?
I really liked my bag. I'm pretty like, also I got 6 things. Did you?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes.
Okay, because normally we only get 5 things, I could have sworn, but our birthdays are both in June, and we both got little like extras. Like I got the gummy vitamins and Mom got this.
I didn't realize that was that.
Well, I don't know. I'm just thinking because they're the smallest.
That makes sense.
If you will, smallest sample size, you know, in our boxes. But I'm really excited. I'm so super excited about this. When I first opened it the first time, I didn't realize what this was, and then I opened it, and then I actually read it, and I was like, at first I was like, oh, it's just a moisturizer. And then I opened it the second time, and I was like, I wanted this. Woohoo! I don't really wear foundation, but maybe I can try and use it as just a concealer because it's the pound sealer, you know. Mask, I probably will forget that I have that. This, I'll keep in my nightstand. This
is so amazing.
It says Aqua Bomb, so I'll probably keep this in my travel drawer for when I travel.
I love everything.
I agree.
Like everything. I mean, granted, I don't even wear concealer or foundation anymore, but when I get that urge to start using it,
eyeshadow.
Thanks, I'm testing out a new palette. It's lasted forever. This has been on since like 7 o'clock this morning.
Ew.
Did you say ew?
That's so early.
Oh. It's the You Can Be, what is this, Magic Spell eyeshadow palette. So there will be a video coming soon on that palette. So, but yeah, everything that I got, I'm really excited about. Like this will go in one of the Project Hygiene bags. The giveaway video is going to be linked down below for you guys. The giveaway is going on until July 8th, so it's still going on when this video goes up. So make sure to check my description box below for the giveaway video so you guys can enter to win over there. And I talk a little bit more about the hygiene bags. But overall, I think that this turned out really, really good. Like really good. I would say like for me, everything is great. And I think for you, everything was great.
Yes.
So. Anyways, that's going to be all for today's video. We hope you guys enjoyed it. Follow us over on TikTok. I don't know how to do it yet.
I'm trying to beat my mom and sister in becoming TikTok famous first because I was like, Hillary, I'm going to become TikTok famous before you. And she was like, what? No, don't do that. I will be so sad. Okay, Mom.
What is my thing? Hotmess Momma 4?
Yes. And mine is LOVHAILEY.
I totally get made fun of, but whatever.
But yeah.
This is what my 13-year-old does. I'm trying to be cool.
Okay.
Anyways, this video got really weird, kind of awkward.
Really
Sorry
long,
about that.
Really fast.
Yeah. Okay, guys. So that's all for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Check the description box for all information listed and linked down below. Until next time, as always, we hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Bye. I keep wanting to touch the camera. I'm watching too many of your videos. You did. Oh, your nails look good.
I know.